Hello everyone and welcome to my channel GeneralMind. Today, our topic is synthetic biology. Redesigning life itself, the fundamental principles of life are explored through the lens of synthetic biology, revealing how organic systems are being redesigned. A compelling vision of humanity's ability to shape the very fabric of existence is presented. What if we could rewrite the code of life itself? Imagine designing entirely new organisms, not through evolution, but through precise genetic engineering. Synthetic biology is making this a reality, and the implications for humanity are absolutely mind-blowing. Future glimpse scenario: picture a future where diseases are eradicated by designer cells and sustainable fuels are grown by custom-made microbes. This isn't science fiction anymore. We're on the cusp of fundamentally redesigning life on Earth, and it's happening much faster than you think. Intriguing statement: forget everything you thought you knew about biology. We're moving beyond merely understanding life to actively building it, molecule by molecule. This is synthetic biology. It's the ultimate frontier in our ability to shape not just our world, but the very essence of existence. We're re-entering an era where artificial intelligence is not just assisting science, it's accelerating it. One of the most exciting frontiers is AI and synthetic biology, where machines help us design, predict, and optimize life at a pace humans alone could never achieve. From engineering medicines to creating sustainable materials, AI is transforming biology into a programmable discipline. So what comes next? The possibilities ahead are extraordinary. Smarter therapies, climate-resilient crops, personalized medicine, and biological solutions to global problems we haven't even imagined yet. Even more powerful is the democratization of synthetic biology. What once required massive laboratories is becoming accessible to DIY biologists, students, and curious citizen scientists. Knowledge that was locked behind institutions is slowly opening to the world. And this is where you come in. Understanding this field and participating in its growth is one of the most important steps we can take as a society. Whether you explore, question, support, or create, your role shapes how this revolution unfolds. Humanity's next leap is happening now. The question is, how will you be part of it? Stepping into the future of AI-powered synthetic biology doesn't require a lab coat or a PhD. It begins with curiosity, awareness, and the willingness to learn. This revolution will touch medicine, agriculture, climate solutions, and even how we understand life itself. Your role in shaping it matters more than you think. You can be part of it in several meaningful ways. 1. Learn the basics. Become an informed citizen, understanding the fundamentals of AI, genetics, and biotechnology empowers you to recognize both the opportunities and the risks. Even watching educational videos, reading summaries, or following credible science channels puts you ahead of most people. Knowledge is your first tool. 2. Support ethical and responsible innovation as these technologies grow. They need guidance. Your voice through public discussions, community input, and voting helps ensure synthetic biology is used safely, ethically, and responsibly. The future depends on people who understand both the promise and the boundaries. 3. Explore DIY biology and citizen science. The field is opening up like never before. Low-cost lab kits, community biohacker spaces, online synthetic biology courses. These give ordinary people the chance to run experiments, design simple biological circuits, or contribute to open science projects. You don't have to be a scientist to participate. 4. Become a creator. Not just a consumer. AI tools are enabling anyone to design proteins, simulate biological systems, analyze genetic data, build models that once required huge teams. If you're someone who wants to invent, fix, improve, or explore, AI makes that path possible even from home. 5. Support global challenges through innovation. Whether it's climate change, food shortages, disease, or pollution, synthetic biology offers real solutions. You can join the movement by supporting projects that engineer plants to withstand extreme climates, create sustainable, biodegradable materials, design new medicines faster than ever. Your support, attention, and advocacy push these solutions into the real world. 6. Teach, share, and inspire others. Every revolution needs communicators and educators. Whether you make videos, write posts, or simply introduce friends to new ideas, you help society keep up with rapid change. The next breakthrough might start with a conversation you spark. 7. Choose a path or create your own. You can be a learner, innovator, responsible citizen, researcher, inventor, or simply someone who understands the world evolving around them. Each role is powerful. What matters is your willingness to take the first step. The future is not built by experts alone. It's built by everyone who cares. Artificial intelligence and synthetic biology will reshape medicine, energy, food, and the environment. Being part of this leap means choosing not to stand on the sidelines. The future is asking you a question. How will you contribute, explore, create, guide, protect, or inspire? Whatever path you choose, your involvement will help define the next chapter of human progress. Thank you for watching and staying with me until the end. If this video opened your mind or sparked your curiosity about the future, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Make sure to subscribe to GeneralMind so you never miss new deep dive videos like this one. Share this with someone who loves learning as much as you do. Your support helps us grow, and together we can explore the ideas that will shape tomorrow. See you in the next video.